So to be answerable to God for one's life, then, almost guarantees spiritual purification. To realize that you're dedicated to God and that you're answerable to God, then you become very aligned with truth and integrity. The people that are dangerous in this world are ones who do not believe they're answerable to God. They're dangerous, yeah. And you can trust people who realize, accept, I'm answerable to God. So, that is a constant state during these lectures, that I realize I'm answerable to God for any error I make. Scared to death of making an error. So you take responsibility for the truth of what you teach others. And people who won't take responsibility for the truth of their own teaching are very dangerous. But to be responsible. So I accept responsibility for the truth of all I have conveyed, and I accept responsibility if I have made any errors, because I've done them unwittingly. So I feel the teacher should recommit his devotion to the truth and to his students, and restate what his commitment is, what the commitment of his life is. Yeah? So, as each one of us does that by declaration, then, we become that which counterbalances the negativity of the world. Because how many people are willing to do that? Only a group like this is willing to really stake your answerability to God for the integrity by which you do your life. It doesn't mean you can't make a mistake, but it was an honest mistake. And even if it was not an honest mistake, you then admit that was not an honest mistake. I contrived that in order to feel sorry for myself and make everybody else look bad, you see? So even then, the truth gets you out of a falsehood, out of an error, by telling the truth about it. You say, well, my ego just wanted to be right about it, I guess. And, I mean, the Weather Channel does have bad music.